So I fell asleep with my makeup and it's literally like 3 in the morning. I'm still going to take off my makeup even though I'm doing a little bit later. All right, so I was reading my comments and a few of you wanted me to take off my makeup using the makeup eraser and the Tati Blendiful, just to see if it would remove anything. Already like feeling it. I don't think it's going to remove like the magic eraser, so we will see. This one I feel like is holding more water, and oh my gosh, cleaning this felt so freaking nice. I want a blanket like this. If you guys know there's a blanket that's just as soft as this and stays soft, let me know. All right, so I'm going to go in with the Tati Beauty first and I'm going to see. It's removing, but not as much as I want, because I have removed my makeup with microfiber brush, como dice, towels and stuff, but this doesn't feel like that. This feels like it's not meant for that, you know? Okay. All right, look at, there you go. It did remove, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a huge difference when we use this. So I want to use this to remove my eye makeup. Okay. Okay, it did remove. Yeah, I did remove it. Okay, let me see. It did remove it. Now let's go in with the makeup eraser. Yeah, I guess it's like doing the same. You just have more towel. My face feels really dry right now too, so maybe that's another reason where I'm like, I don't think it's gonna work, but it is taking it off. Like it literally took off. Maybe this one took off more. Let me see on my eye. Yeah, like, isn't this supposed to be like magic? Everyone raves about this one taking off everything. It says waterproof mascara and stuff like that. Maybe I didn't leave it as a wet. I don't know. Like, it's okay. If you guys have removed your makeup with a microfiber brush, that doesn't play around. My eyebrows, they have the tint in them, so I don't want to go over them too much. You know what? Yeah, I think it did remove it the same. Like, it, feeling how this one feels, it feels like the same. Yeah, it just feels different, like something different, like different. That's cool. So for those asking, they did the same. I prefer the Tati Blendiful. Now that I look at my face, everything, I feel like it did remove more on this side than it did on this side. And I like how everything just applied the other day when I was using the Tati Blendiful, and how I just went like that, and it literally just looked so airbrushed and so nice. The reason why I said if you already have this one, just use this one, because I know a lot of people are like, oh, there's so many things, like I have to get it, I have to get it. You don't have to get it unless you really want to. If you already have this one, use this one, but this one does kick booty, and you get two for the price of 18, and this one goes for 20. So if you guys would ask me, Alexis, which one, this one or this one, go with this one. I'm like still playing with it because like I just like how it feels. So does it work? It's the same as this? It does. I didn't remove like the glitter and stuff, so I'm gonna go in with something else. So I'm just going to remove my glitter on my eyes using the Garnier Skin Active. This is a micellar cleansing water, and I'm just going to just go over my eye very lightly just to pick up that glitter that I have left over. Just gonna go over my face again. So this is like what was left over on my face, which is okay because you still have to wash your face. Just because you use these to wash your, to take off your makeup, you still have to wash your face. Make sure to still wash your face to get everything else. I think honestly those two were the same. So you guys let me know. You guys let me know what you guys think. Are you guys going to be purchasing the Blendiful? Are you guys going to be purchasing the makeup eraser? Do you guys already have the makeup eraser? Are you guys going to pass on the Tati Blendiful? Let me know down below. I would love to know. And I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you guys are, please give me a big thumbs up. And subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated with my videos. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.